Imagine two hungry kids racing toward the kitchen. There is exactly one cookie left in the jar, and both of them saw it at the same time. They both start reaching, both totally sure the cookie is theirs. So what happens when two people grab for the same thing at the very same moment? Right after that logo, here is the key idea. The cookie jar is shared. Anyone in the kitchen can open it, look inside, and take from it. In computers, this shared thing is called shared state, one piece of memory that many workers can touch. When it is shared, it can be touched at the same time. Now that the jar is shared, watch what happens when the kids are polite. First, one kid checks the jar, sees one cookie, and takes it. Then the other kid checks, sees 0, and walks away. Taking turns like this is calm and correct. Every step happens in a neat, tidy order. But taking a cookie is not one instant action. It is really 3 tiny steps. Look in the jar, decide to grab, then actually take it. Each step takes a sliver of time, and in that sliver, the world can change around you. Those little gaps are exactly where trouble likes to hide. So remember those tiny steps. Now both kids do them at the exact same time. Kid A looks and sees one cookie. In that same instant, Kid B also looks and also sees one cookie. Neither one knows the other is already looking. Both of them now believe the cookie is theirs to take. Here comes the crash. Both kids reach in at the same moment, both expecting one cookie, but there was only ever one. One hand gets the cookie, the other hand closes on empty air. Their steps overlapped, and the timing decided the winner. This messy overlap is what we call a race condition. The real damage is in the numbers. The jar started with one cookie. Kid A takes it and writes down 0, but Kid B, who also grabbed, also writes down 0 over the top. 2 cookies seem to have left a jar that only held one. The final count is simply wrong. The scariest part is how sneaky this is. Most of the time, the kids happen to take turns by luck, and everything looks perfect. Only once in a while do their steps line up badly, and the count breaks. A bug that hides most of the time is the hardest bug of all to catch. So how do we fix it? We give the jar a lock. Before a kid can open the jar, they must first hold the only key. With the key in hand, they open, take, and update the count all by themselves. No one else can even peek until the key is handed back. With one key, the chaos becomes a calm line. Kid A takes the key, does all 3 steps in peace, then sets the key down. Only then can Kid B pick it up and take a turn. The shared jar is now touched by just one kid at a time. Order is restored. There is another trick beyond keys. We can make the whole grab happen as one unbreakable move, look, take, and update fuse together with no gap in the middle. Because nothing can sneak into a gap that does not exist, 2 grabs can never overlap. We call this kind of action atomic. But locks need care. Imagine 2 kids, each holding a key the other one needs and neither will let go. Kid A waits for Kid B, and Kid B waits for Kid A forever. Nobody moves, nobody eats. This frozen standstill is called a deadlock, and it is its own kind of mess. Good news, simple rules keep locks safe. Always grab keys in the same agreed order so a circle of waiting can never form. Hold each key for as short a time as you can. And when you are done, always hand the key back. Follow the rules and the kitchen stays calm. Put it all together and the picture is beautiful. A shared jar, a single key, atomic grabs, and clear rules. Many kids can now share one jar and every cookie is counted exactly right. What began as a frantic grab is now a smooth, fair line. Almost every sharing problem is solved this same way. So let's remember the whole journey. A race condition is 2 workers touching one shared thing at the same time, breaking the count. A lock gives one worker a turn. Atomic actions leave no gap to sneak into, and careful rules avoid the frozen deadlock. Sharing is easy once everyone waits their turn.